Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. We are back with more hidden features on the new LG Stylo 4. So get ready for some more cool stuff you may not have known you could do with this phone. But before we get started, go to Instagram and make sure you are following us because we've got some awesome things coming and a giveaway on a really awesome phone, wink wink, so we don't want you to miss that. So make sure you hit that follow button and keep an eye out on our posts. All right, let's jump into our next hidden feature for you, which is going to be how to hide apps. And I'm sure all you guys have some apps on your phone that you wouldn't want people going through if they were to end up with your phone, right? So I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your phone. So hold down on your home screen and we're going to go down to home screen settings at the bottom here. One more time, hold down, home screen settings. And we're gonna go down to this option, hide apps, right here. And what you're gonna do is select the app that you wanna hide. So let's say you wanna hide, I'm gonna do, let's do Instagram. And at the bottom here, we're gonna hit done. And you can hide any as many apps on this page as you want. I'm just gonna do one. So we're gonna hide Instagram, hit done. Go home, and the Instagram app was right here, and now it's been removed. So you cannot find it anywhere, okay? Now, the way you unhide it is the same way you hide it. So hold down, home screen settings, go to hide apps, and then we'll just uncheck it, hit done, and the app will pop back up on your home screen. Now keep in mind there are two configurations for this phone. So one configuration doesn't have an app drawer, so all the apps are going to be on the home screen. Now this is the other configuration, which I may have gone over in some other videos, but just in case you don't know. If we hold down on the home screen, go to home screen settings, and we change this, we hit select home, and we change it to home and app drawer, press OK. Now we have this button here, so we only have certain apps that we're going to find on the home screen, but we can hit this to see all of our other apps. So this is just another configuration. If your phone is set up this way, the process is the same to hide apps. So again, hold down the home screen settings, and hide. Actually, so we do not have the hide apps option here. It's right here. So if you have your phone set up where you do have an app drawer, if you want to hide apps, you're gonna upper right corner in the app drawer, hit the three dots, hit hide apps, and then you would select the app again in here, hit done, and the app now disappears. So you won't see it on the home screen, and you also will not see it in your app section. And to get it back, upper right corner, three dots, hide apps, uncheck it, hit done, and it should pop back up in a second right there, or on the last page right there. So those are the two ways you can hide apps, especially if you frequently give your phone to other people to use and you don't want them going through your stuff. It's a quick and easy way to make sure they don't get in any app you don't want them to see. Alright guys, for our next hidden feature, it's another thing that has to do with the camera, and it's a cool feature that allows you to create a GIF with your camera here. So in the upper left corner right next to settings, you have a mode button here. So first of all, you're going to see there's a lot of really cool camera settings that you didn't find on the previous Stylo. So we've got match shot, grid shot, panorama, there's a food mode now. So we've got a lot of cool options in here. Now if you do select jump flash, jump cut, this is the GIF creator. They just called it something weird, but you can basically take a GIF, you're gonna hit the shutter button, and you can do, it takes 4 pictures. So I'm just gonna do 4 random things. And then once it's done taking all 4 pictures, it will put them together in a GIF for you. And here it is. So kind of silly, but there's mine. I did one earlier that was kind of cool. It was, let's see, it was like 4, 3, 2, 1. So to me, it's you know, really simple and really easy to upload to social media right after. So I like it. So just remember, it's not called GIF. It's not called GIF capture. It's called flash jump cut. So mode and flash jump cut is how you get to it, and then you can create your GIFs just like that. All right, our next hidden feature is going to be how to turn on flash alerts, so we can use the flash on the back of the phone. Basically, it will flash whenever you get certain notifications. So to do this, we're going to go to the settings, and from the settings, we're going to go to accessibility. So make sure you're on the general tab and accessibility, and then hearing, and then flash alerts. We're going to turn this on. The flash will not blink when the battery is low, so just keep that in mind. And at that point, when your screen is off, or actually, sorry, it shows you right here. So flash blinks for incoming calls, messages, and alarms. So not every single notification, just these 3 important things. So now, if your phone is turned this way, obviously you're gonna notice if someone's sending you a message or calling you, or your alarm is going off. So kind of cool. A lot of people ask about the flash alert, so I wanted to work that in there. So there it is. And our next and our last hidden feature. Now this one is, you could say it's a hidden feature if it's your first time with an LG phone, specifically with this new phone. But if you had an LG, you probably already know about this, but I'm gonna show you anyway, which is holding down the home screen and going to wallpaper and themes, and we go up to theme, and this is a really cool option. It's a theme store that has not only cool wallpapers for you, but it has full phone themes where not only does it change just the background, but it changes your icons, it changes like the color of your call app, your messaging app. It makes the whole phone look different. It's a great way to really customize your phone and make it just unique to your favorite colors and your favorite things. So there are paid themes and there are free themes. I always go with the free ones. Or you could just change your icons as well. So you got icon store, theme store, and a wallpaper store, just to help change it up and really give your phone just a custom look to, you know, what represents you. So this is our last little hidden feature, and hope you guys did find that helpful. In the description of this video, guys, I have a link to a lot of my other LG Stylo 4 videos. We've done so many videos so far, so check out the description, see if there's any other videos in there you might be interested in, and check them out. Again, make sure you follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos so you don't miss out on all those great giveaways. Thanks for watching. In the comment section, do me a favor, let us know which one of these hidden features you learned about for the first time through our video, or if you knew all of them, put, hey, I knew all these already, so we know to change it up. Let us know your comments. We look forward to hearing those. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.